Hey everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make fluffy slime. So you're going to need some Elmer's Magical Liquid and some Elmer's School Glue. You're also going to need some bath foam and a bowl and spoon. So you're going to start by pouring your glue into the bowl. Then you're going to put your shaving foam in as well. And then you're going to start mixing. Then you're going to add your activator. Keep on adding activator until you get the consistency you want. And then once it's at the right consistency, you want to start taking it out the bowl and kneading it until it is right, as you can see here. I also decided to add some food colouring into it as well, giving it a nice green colour. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you did like this video. If you did like it though, make sure to click the like button, drop a comment and subscribe. Thank you.